I am an amazing, sought-after artist. I have endless creativity. I have a lot of clients that love my art and buy from me consistently. The divinely aligned action I put into my art ministry pays off. I am a working artist. I wake up and I get back in the studio. I am already a master artist. The deeper I practice, the deeper I can create. The divinely aligned action that I put into my art ministry pays off. And I am so grateful for the abundance of time that I get to create, a space to create, and all the light and supplies that I need. My desired life is 100% possible, and it feels wonderful and exciting as everything unfolds and is already happening. New ideas are always coming to me. I am full of inspiration and creativity. I am in the right state of mind to create. I'm excited about my art. I am committed to my business success. I'm serious about my work, and I love what I do. I am successful, and the proof is everywhere. I know I am worthy of being a well-paid, full-time artist. I know that others see the value of my artwork, and I pay attention to the heartbeat that says, I am doing this. I have more than enough confidence in every area of my life and business. I am prepared, I'm ready, and I know what to do. I am so proud of myself for all of the work that I am putting in, so that I can have the life that I want, knowing that it is worth it. I have a deep sense of clarity. My clear desires have been met. I am being supported by my art practice and have everything that I need. Success happens quickly. I wake up every day looking for the evidence and find it. No matter what happens in my external world, I will navigate towards the success that I desire. All of my needs are provided for. Thank you, Almighty Love. I am open to creative possibilities for abundance. Life is not a race. This day is not a race. It's easy for me to receive. Prosperity is my default state. All of this is for me. My dreams are being fulfilled right now, and they will only continue to grow. I am prosperity. I feel rich within. Money naturally flows in and out of my life with ease, harmony, and in perfect sequence with the rest of my life. I am effortlessly creative. I wake up every day believing my artwork will continue to sow, knowing it always does. I know that this is a beautiful opportunity that I have been gifted with. The opportunity to show up in the world in the way that I have been called. And so I ask, how may I serve? And what may I give? What do I have to give? I allow things to go their own way. I do less and less. I let things work themselves out. I am thankful that the right buyers and collectors of my work, those that I have called in, have arrived, and I see they are constantly continuing to arrive as I continue to call them in. Hello, I'm calling you in for the value I provide. By helping you find my artwork, knowing that you are more than ready to buy at the perfect price that feels so fair to the both of us, recognizing the true value exchange. I embody the true value of my work, and I see it in my buyers as it's mirrored back to me. It's so good for me to ask for money for the value that I provide. People want me to. People want me to make them an offer by asking for money, and they want to give me money. People want to give me money for the value that I provide. I am constantly embodying the true value of my art and its ability to make positive impacts in my buyers' and collectors' lives. My work is worth so much more than monetary gain alone, and so I remain humble, and I see the true value that it brings into others' lives, and the true value that I gain from that experience. I am constantly recognizing that my buyers and collectors are ready, able, and worthy to receive the value that I have to give. And they are ready and able to give me adequate compensation for it. And so, that's just what they do. I am flexible and adaptable, always going with the flow. I am so thankful that my art sales are consistent and within harmonious timing. I am a natural marketer of my artwork. I am the real deal. What I am seeking is seeking me.